Hey, what's up everybody? So you know I love donuts to the max. I believe that you should always treat yourselves with things that you love. And on Fridays is Donut Friday in my world. And I'm here at Bulletproof, the Bulletproof headquarters. And I'm here with, I would say, my Bulletproof BFF.
Hey.
No offense to anybody in the back, but my Bulletproof BFF. Alex, she's a scientist here. And today we are going to show you how to make bulletproof donuts. All right, so first we're gonna start with the dry ingredients, very simple. We're gonna take some either gluten-free powder, not powder, gluten-free flour, flour, 3 cups. So I'm just gonna pour it in there. So the next thing we have is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which I think is probably in everyone's kitchen. So that's very simple. You just kind of mix that up, very simple. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get into the wet ingredients. Make sure you put the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients in 2 different bowls. First thing you need for the wet ingredients is 6 large eggs. And then you have 6 teaspoons of vanilla. And then you have honey, raw, organic honey, 9 tablespoons. Make sure it's melted before you add it and make sure it's melted. So basically you'll take the wet ingredients, you'll take the dry ingredients, you mix them together really, really well so that there are no clumps. Once you finish that, put it into this amazing donut mold here and make sure you don't fill it all the way up to the top. Make sure you do like 3/4 of the way so it has somewhere to rise. Then you'll take that, you'll put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes and then you'll switch it for 6 more minutes and take it out. But while we do that, we're actually gonna show you how to make the glaze. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, now we're gonna make the espresso glaze and I'm gonna let my lovely friend, my BFF Alex here, dump it all in. So I'm gonna tell you what it is. So you got the 3 cups of xylitol. Tell them what xylitol is.
Yes, so xylitol is a sugar alcohol. So it's going to be one of our main sweeteners of the glaze. It's a great sugar replacement. It's not calorie free, however, it has a much lower calorie content and carb content than regular sugar. So it's a great alternative for a glaze like this.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, so next thing you need is the 4 shots of espresso. You wanna pour that in there?
Yeah.
And this is actually what makes it bulletproof. A bulletproof donut, and then water, perfect. All right, so then you just mix that up. It's gonna make the glaze, and when we come back, you're gonna see what these donuts look like. All right, we're back. The moment you've all been waiting for, at least the moment I've been waiting for. We got the donuts out. We poured the glaze on top. Make sure you let them cool first, okay? Let them cool. We don't want you burning your mouth. I obviously have a nice cup of Bulletproof to go with my donuts. And this is it. Make sure you enjoy this, the Bulletproof Espresso Donut.
So good.